Hello, my dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Amazing Craft Ideas. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing very well. Today in this video, I bring some new collection or latest beautifully designed ideas of flower decorations to make your home decorations or events more unique and beautiful by adding these refreshing, colorful flowery arrangements to make your events more beautiful and decorative. If you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my video for the very first time, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and you will receive all the updates regarding my new and previous videos. So viewers, don't go, stay with me and watch this video till the end. I hope you will love all these ideas and love to create them. In this video, I bring some beautifully designed collection of some latest flower decoration ideas to make your events and home decorations more unique and trendy by adding these beautifully designed flower arrangements combining with some other creative crafty ideas. You can combine these ideas with some floating candle decorations or some bulb lightings. You can also create them. Viewers, as you have seen in this video, you can create any of these ideas, whether to decorate different tablescape ideas for different family gatherings or events, or you can use these decorative arrangements for different brunch parties or tea parties. You can create these sort of uniquely designed fresh flower arrangements to make it more beautiful and decorative. Viewers, these are some uniquely designed ideas that you would definitely love to create these ideas for your different decorative ideas to decorate different family gatherings or parties. To make it more beautiful, you can create some beautifully designed idea to add more refreshness to your table decorations or different living room decorations. You can create these sort of unique and lovely fresh flower arrangements. I hope you will enjoy this video and love these ideas. I will remind you again, if you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my video for the very first time, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and you will receive all the updates regarding my new and previous videos. Viewers, your response and positive feedback motivates me to bring some latest ideas for you. So if you have any request, you can mention it in the comment section. I will work on it. And if you have any questions or queries regarding this video, you can also mention it in the comment section. I will answer all your questions and queries in the comment section. I hope you will enjoy this video. If you really like my ideas, share it on different social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram. It helps me to grow my channel and also encourages me. So viewers, I hope you will enjoy this video. Keep sharing my video, keep supporting me. Thank you.